What's up, everybody? Welcome to 2 Cent Tool Reviews. My name is Cam Taylor, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Milwaukee 16-inch fuel chainsaw. This is my first cordless chainsaw. I've used plenty of gas ones, but this is my first cordless one, and so far I am beyond impressed with it. Like the power behind this thing, I think Milwaukee claims it's about the same as a 40cc gas-powered one, and I wouldn't doubt it at all. This thing is crazy. Weight on this it's both the same. I wouldn't say you'd buy it for the weight reduction of it at all. It does feel close to the same as a gas one. Just the battery alone is like 3 pounds or something like that, so that does add to a lot of the weight. Convenience of this obviously is great. Really just make sure your battery's charged, your chain oil is topped up, because you don't want that to run out, because that means very bad things, and your chain is sharp, and then you basically just squeeze the trigger and go. That's all there is to it, really. So the runtime behind this, I've never actually like timed myself. Oh yeah, I got this many cuts out of it for an hour or whatever it is, but I think they said it's 150 cuts they've done on like 6x6 cedar or something like that, and it's whatever. I mean, all the stuff I've needed, this hasn't ran out yet, and I've been cutting for a while now, so you definitely won't be like disappointed with the runtime at all. It should be more than enough for what you need. You got your chain wrench for these nuts here to take this cover off, to change the chain or the bar or whatever you need. The chain tensioning screw is right there to make that tighter or looser, whatever you need. You got a little hole right there if you want to mount it to the wall. Obviously your battery port right here, trigger right here, your chain oil goes in right there. Just unscrew that, put her in, and good to go. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll go outside and do some actual cutting footage of it, and yeah, you guys can basically decide the rest. This is my 2 cents on it. Might mean something, might not, but yeah, without further ado, let's go outside. So there you guys have it. You guys seen it firsthand on how it cuts. I'm not going to say that it was, the greatest cutting saw in the world. I think it's awesome for what I need it for, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for an electric chainsaw, or even just a chainsaw in general. Definitely every tool has its place. You're not going to use this to go cut 24-inch trees down on a daily basis or anything like that, but for stuff like this, works great. But yeah, that pretty much does it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next tool review. Bye.